Yeah, man. My name is Diawarrior, aka Diawarrior. And me as a man, me always like to simplify things because in this world, them use so much words for confuse we and you know them change the name of so much of the things them. One place have all 20 name and I same place, so it get confusing after a while. So sometimes you have to just summarize things, you know. So this is what I call the world in a nutshell. Because we have to understand this world that we live in. And right now, to me see it a come to a time where everything have to go balance out. Because for years you have people that have been working to own the world, to own the people, to have them to do their will. And these people are very organized and they have their system set up which they follow their guidelines towards their end that they need. And these type of people are most time connected to some form of secret society. So connecting to the secret society, they have to play by the rule of the secret society. And a lot of the rules, they don't have any talk in it because they expect them to do whatever they want them to do, whatever that is. So a lot of these educated people sell out themselves long time already. So to sell out you is nothing because them sell out themselves already. Them not have no talk, them are just puppet. Because there is a higher person at the top of the pyramid where send down the order and it trickle right down to everybody in a them society, in a them secrecy. And them can't tell you. Because nobody not gonna tell you who them is. When them a do evil, them not gonna tell you. So the world in a nutshell is that I don't know how them divide up the world and how them create them borders and all them things when God give all away one world for living in, but people want to have authority over other people. So them start divide up the world. And in a them division, secret society still involved in all of that. And the world is governed by basically the police and the soldier with the order of the government. So the police and soldier are the enforcers of the government wishes, which sometimes they say is for the people or sometimes they say is by the people. So without the police and without the soldier, there is no law. Because there's nobody to enforce no law. So people become free being in a real sense of free being. You have to govern yourself. That are true freedom. But when them have them enforcers, them use them against the people along with the secret society. That is why you don't have a lot of humanitarian president. Cause me remember Michael Manley. And I can never forget Michael Manley. Where some hear people talk about him and the great things them what him do. I not talk about politics. I talk about the person and what the person do. Change enough people's life and make enough people prosper and inspire enough people and do a lot of great things. You have to give him respect by the works. So we have reached a time now where government have put so much pressure upon the people We take away all of the rights that our ancestors them fight for. All over the ages where we can't even think back from slavery days. All of them things that were natural rights just to exist. Just to have a piece of space for yourself. Just to be able to think. Just to be able to live. Just to be able to eat without something nigging in your ears like a bees or a wasp. But we all sting you too. We need real freedom. That are our God-given right. Because God never give the world to no one man or no two man. He give the world to the whole of it. So everybody have the right to decide their own destiny. Because nobody don't know why each of we come here to come live. Each of we have our own part. Where we live and where we like and where we love and all of them things. Each of we have our own part. But sometimes the system them of the world suffer with the people. Suffer the people. Things say people them have to learn themselves and to come together. Because anytime you see Babylon system, anytime you see the light lock off, you know say something will happen. And most time I know nothing good. Something will happen. And the people them have to learn to band together. You have to choose your side, band together, and be strong together, and talk together, and work together. Because when Babylon system fail, it fail. You still have to live, still have to exist in the earth, still have to have life. When me and youth, we never have no light. One night time, remember where we get light. Remember when road cut, come out of my community where we did that. Remember when I have to make my bicycle, I have to go nail up some board and make my own like a tie bicycle and make a 3-wheel skate, and to one night time make one 4-wheel skate. Body jump on it and crash down the road car. When that I come off a hill with a little car tire brake, I step on that, I try to stop it. Not normal. So we know what it was when we were playing marble. And when we used to play a ring game and dolly house and all of them something, we used to gel together as a family. We know what that is. And play a bounce lasky. You understand? So we have to try to get back to ourselves too. Use the technology for enhance yourself instead of living the technology. Use it for enhance. We have camera now, we can make movie, we can shoot certain things, we can, you understand, put out our ideas to upon the world, where we can help the world. Enough you need to know all these things put together, what's about. No. We need freedom.